Welcome the our channel. Today we how to fix AI workflows with Airtable detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the current challenges in your AI workflows. Determine the specific areas in Airtable that need improvement. Set clear objectives for your workflow modifications. Log into your Airtable account to access your existing bases. Review your current data structures to identify inefficiencies. Consider creating a new base for testing purposes. Import existing data into the new base if necessary. Outline the entire workflow you want to optimize, from start to finish. Utilize Airtable's different field types to categorize your data effectively. Incorporate linked records to better organize relationships between different datasets. Use Airtable's views to create tailored visual representations. Set up filtered views for specific tasks or segments to streamline your processes. Integrate automation features within Airtable to reduce manual intervention. Explore available Airtable apps that can further enhance your workflow. Implement triggers to automate notifications when specific actions occur. Test your updated workflows to ensure they meet your objectives. Gather feedback from team members who will use the workflows. Make iterative adjustments based on the feedback received. Document your new processes for future reference and training. Regularly monitor the performance of your workflows. Continuously evolve your workflows based on changing needs and technologies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.